Great. Hello, everyone. My name is Jonas Lanis, and welcome to the sixth episode of the Market Monitor broadcast. Today, we'll be showing you how to create a winning bot at the Bitcoin 1 minute chart. We'll give some seconds so the broadcast can also start on training live. And we'll move on forward to show you what we have today, which I believe is something very interesting for everyone, which is font of automated trading. Let me also move on to share my screen. So we are here. I'm also checking the chat. So I think we are good to go. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's VFLOW Market Monitor. Today is our sixth episode. My name is Jonas Lanis, and I will be your host today. And in the VFLOW Market Monitor series, we are showcasing the VFLOW Trading Engine, which is our trading software on TradingView. Let me start with a quick navigation on our site. Welcome again, everyone. Thank you very much for being here. So let me start with our site. VFLOW comes from ValueFlow. It is our company, and VFLOW, it's also an ecosystem of crypto services with its own utility token, the VFLOW token. And by holding the VFLOW token, you get access to our services. So currently we have a new update. Of course, I'm going to share more details about our trading engine, which is a base where we build our own trading strategies. And we also have available for you our VFLOW OKX bots available at OKX. I'm also going to share more details about this as well. And we also have the recent latest launch of service, which is the VFLOW synthetic bots. I'm going to present these three services to you, and then I'm going to show you how you are able to how you are able to access the services and move on with actually utilizing what we have to share. So let's start with the trading engine. So our trading engine is our trading software. It's based on our 10-year experience in cryptocurrencies. It's our software available on the TradingView platform. An important statistic which I always like to share is that 85% of all trades are done by algorithms, while 79% of the trading volume is controlled by leading banks. We are seeing now all-time highs in Bitcoin, which is closely related to the launch of a Bitcoin ETF, and also large investors, a large institution being able to allocate their money towards the Bitcoin ETF without having to register in exchanges and all this kind of stuff. So they have gotten exposure to the Bitcoin ETF and soon the Ethereum ETF. So this has led to new all-time highs, and we can see Bitcoin soaring while altcoins are not. Let's move on with the features of the trading engine. I have spoken multiple times in the previous episodes about the key features of a trading engine. It combines a lot of moving average waves, price channel, auto Fibonacci, and most importantly, it has 20 buy long parameters, meaning that it's 20 different combinations of technical indicators that are going to lead to a long position opening. We have 18 such parameters for short positions. Of course, the long positions are also a signal to close a short position, and vice versa. A long position is also a signal to close a short position, and the short position is a signal to close a long position. We also have 12 different stop loss parameters, meaning that you can stop a trade with 12 different combinations. And all of these are actually the magic recipe where you can produce winning strategies. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on the Bitcoin 1 minute chart, with a very high success rate and very high ROI. Someone may ask himself, but wonder if it's possible. Yes, it's possible. I'm going to show you how we did it at OKX and how our BTC 1 minute bot is performing and how we did it. So it's compatible with the OKX Signal bot. OKX has launched its Signal marketplace where you can connect your TradingView account directly to OKX and become a Signal provider, and you set up your own bots. or you can always use 3 commas. We have a version for 3 commas and we have a version for OKX. You can use either of them, either to connect to 3 commas and then to Binance and Bybit, or to OKX directly through the trading engine software. Now we have some results here, but these are nothing compared to the real thing that I'm going to show you later on. Let's go now to our next service, which is our VFLOW OKX bots. You can access any of our retail bots at OKX. Currently, we have 18 different bots available at the OKX platform. We have one multi-bot which invests simultaneously in 16 pairs. We have a 6-pair version 1, which is showcased, featured in the main page of OKX at the Signal Marketplace. We also have our VFLOW bot version 2, which is available on our page. Each of the bots, you can click here and you can go to each specific page to see the statistics live at OKX. We have single bots for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for all these cryptocurrencies, and we also have the minimum amount of USDT you must have at your account in order to be able to open a position. Almost 100 people watching. Hello, greetings to Algeria. Very happy to have you here. Moving on, we have our 5-minute bot, which our latest addition is Bitcoin, and we are also going to add the Bitcoin 1-minute bot later on, because also we have this bot underway. Let's click on the BTC 5-minute bot, and here, by clicking here on the title, you can see here that we can go directly to the page of OKX, and you can see the success rate and the 30 days backtest API. This is the backtest result from OKX, meaning that its projection for the next 30 days is this ROI. We have the subscriber PNL, the subscriber win rate, and how many alerts, how many times it has triggered the last 7 days, 86 trades, as you can see here. And with 24 hours delay, you can see here the trades available on the system. Let's go back to the site. So here you can check out any of the bots, and here you can see the results for 2023 for our single bots at the 4, 5, or 6 hour time frame. Let's go back to the services, and now I'm going to present you our latest addition, which is the VFLOW synthetic bots. Now, many of you must wonder what is this synthetic bot means. What it means is we have actually realized and made a vast research that showed us that we can, and it's very, very profitable, or let's say it has results, and it's a very good strategy to combine different strategies within the same trading pair, meaning that instead of just going long and short at the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to make over 400 combinations of strategies on the same trading pair, meaning that I will go long on the 4-hour chart, 5-hour chart, 6-hour chart, 1 minute, 5 minute, weekly or daily chart. I'm going to combine and backtest all the strategies so I can find which are the best and which work best, and I'm going to run them independently on the same account, meaning that I'm going to do also hedging, and I'm going to have a very good ROI with very, very low drawdown, annual drawdown to 2.5% only. This is a very good service, which is suitable for large cap coins and big investors which have to allocate 10,000 or more, or even 1 million or more in crypto trading. This is the way to do it, and we are very happy that we have launched this service prior to our launchpad. And discussing about launchpad, let me take you here to our main page. We have announced our launchpad and pre-sale of the VFLOW token, and it's going to happen on 25th of March. And anyone that wishes to participate can subscribe here at CoinStore, where here you can find, you can register here by using the link on our site, open an account, get ready, pass the KYC, and be ready. 25th of March, we are having the launchpad, and 28th of March, we are having a live trading pair on CoinStore for VFLOW USDT trading pair. So now let's go back in action. The most important thing that we should discuss today is, of course, the Bitcoin 1-minute bot. Let's just close some of the alerts here. And before I show you the OKX bot and how we can design it here, I want to show you the live backtesting results, which are here available to anyone that wants to check out the performance of the bot. So to be more specific, here we see the bot detailed page on OKX. The bot is running for 50 days. Actually, it was initially set up at the 5-minute chart, and then I set it up on the 1-minute chart. So the 1-minute chart, the bot is operating right now for 5 days, and within 5 days, we've managed again to reach $600 total PNL. We are using 2,000 USDT, and we are only investing 1,000 USDT with 10 level, meaning that we are opening positions at 10,000 USDT for Bitcoin, and our PNL is 32%. Actually, if you change that, you must double it to find the actual performance. So it's 64% in just 6 days. As you can see here, the performance we reached here at one point where we didn't have any profit. We skyrocketed almost to doubling our position size. Then we had some losses that returned us to our initial balance, and then again, after switching to the 1-minute chart, we are back to $643 profit so far. We have an open position right now, which it's at a slight loss, but we don't care because I will show you the percentage of profitability, and you will understand why. Greetings to Kenya as well. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. So now I want to show you, here you can see 10 trades in a row that are winning trades. We are winning here, as you can see, $33, 29, 34, 5, 40, 46. And let's go to the second page of results. As you can see here, we have another 10 successful trades for Bitcoin. So now let's take it step by step how you can set up your own winning bot for Bitcoin at the 1-minute chart. So first step would be to go here to services and click on our trading engine. And what you can do is actually scroll down the page and send us an email by clicking here and ask for a 2-week free trial. So you don't have to pay any money, just ask for the trial, take the trading engine version. You can take it for OKX or for free commas and for Binance and Bybit. And you can ask access to the trading engine for free. We give 2-week free trial, or you can purchase it either by getting the 30 days subscription for $45, or the 120 days for $128, or the annual, which is $336. But before you pay any money, just go for the 2-week free trial, test the bot live, make some money, and then use your profits to purchase the subscription. It's pretty easy. You can purchase it with USDT by using your MetaMask wallet. So it's available only with USDT and MetaMask payments. And once you purchase the trading engine, you can then add it to TradingView. So you can go then to indicators, and if you go to indicators and invite only scripts, you will find the VFLOW trading engine there. So now we are taking a look at the Bitcoin USDT 1-minute chart. We don't have anything on. We're just now going to turn on the VFLOW trading engine. Before I show you any of the backtest results, let's go here and see Bitcoin right now at 73,200 and Ethereum at $4,047. As you can see now, we have just switched on the trading engine. So by default, the trading engine is presenting you with this HMA line, which is actually a moving average following the price action. I'm going here to give you a closer look here. And now what we are going to do, we are going, of course, to close it because I want you to have this net chart on. We are going to try to set up the trading engine. Now, first step is to set up the trailing percentage. Thank you very much. The trailing percentage functionality. Here we have the option to have the regular take profit or stop loss, or the trailing percentage, meaning that we're going to follow the price if it's going in our favor, and then we are going to close the trade. In this specific setup, we are using the trailing percentage. Stop loss will be set at 5% and take profit at 0.5%. Someone will wonder why you are putting so big stop loss. I will explain you to right now why I'm doing this. So now we have this stop short open long conditions where we are going to try them out, and just we will start with buy two, and when we click on buy two, what we're going to see on the chart is we're going to see the buy label here, the buy signal, And of course, we're going to see also the take profit and stop loss limits plotted as green line and red line on the chart. Let's give it some time to load. And now let's go to see what's going on with the back testing. So we have selected long, as you can see, buy 2. So here you can see that we have an entry, we have a very profitable trade, another entry, another profitable trade. So 1, 2. This one is still open right now. This is currently what we are seeing here as an open trade with a slight loss. But let's go now back to the back test and see what we are getting back from the trading view as for the back testing result. Let's go to the performance summary, go to overview. Now, this is the interesting part that has just started for you. Now you can see that, let's go to properties because I want to be crystal clear what settings we are using. So we are using 1000 USDT with 10 level, meaning that we are opening position with 10,000 USDT. We have here the recalculation on every tick and on bar close as well. And let's go to inputs. As I showed you, I just pressed one button. I have trailing percentage, take profit, 5% stop loss, 0.5 take profit, and with just the buy 2 input, I have during from the period from 26th of February till 13th of May today, the system has generated 69 trades with 100% profitability. Profit factor 835. This is actually unrealistic, but it's the truth. It has won every trade, and the max drawdown was 70%, but we have time level, don't forget. So it's actually 1.7. So, but just holding Bitcoin from 26th of February, we would not have made such a profit, 292%. We've tripled our money in just a few days by having just one order open, one type of buy order open in the system. Now, many of you might think that this is something that is accidentally happening. So let's close buy 2 and let's go to test out. Let me take you here. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to 15. Let's try out by 15 and see what we're going to get back as a result. We are waiting the system to load. This is important to show you that you can design actually with the use of a trading engine a winning bot at the 1 minute chart, having many trades with high profitability, which is, again, I'm saying, possible with the use of the VFLOW trading engine. And we are very happy about that because it gives us a very good reason to make people want to buy the VFLOW token and stake it. Now, second option, again, 68 trades, 300%. We've tripled our money from 26th of February, almost 2 weeks time, 100% profitable, 68 trades, all won. With drawdown, which is irrelevant because you didn't have any loss. And for just holding Bitcoin, you wouldn't have tripled your money because Bitcoin didn't went to 150,000. It just went to 73,000. So meaning that you won a lot more by using the 1 minute bot. Now let's see it on the chart, how it's actually plotted. Again, we see that we have a long trade here open, but another win here, another win here. You can see here that we opened the trade back here. It went on to wait till we had the take profit hit. I'm going to go back here till we have the trade. So the trade opened high here at the back. Here we had a long trade. The last trade was 12th of March, actually yesterday, because the 1 minute chart, it looks like eternity, but it's not. So it just waited. We didn't hit any stop loss. We are back at 5. And of course, we hit the 0.5 take profit here, the win. And then we got another one, and then we got another one. And now we are waiting for the next take profit to be reached here. And let's try out some other buy buttons as well, because, okay, we selected just 2. Let's try to find the third one, which is actually here. Let's go. We tested out buy 2. Now let's go and test buy 3 and see what we are going to get as a result. So I'm currently running the test on the third button for Bitcoin. And as you can see here, This is very, very good. Almost 800 people watching. Thank you very much, everyone, for being here. And let's wait out for the system to show us the next result. Wow, again, with another button, third option that we are using the trading edge at the 1 minute chart. Again, we are almost tripling our initial capital of 1,000 with 70 trades, all won, and profit factor again 838, which is again very, very unrealistic because unbelievable, because the best funds and the best algorithms usually have a profit factor of 2, even 3. Very rare you will find 4 as a number. Here we have 838, but let's go on and try another button here. So next we're going to try, let's try 12 and see what we'll get as a result. Again, this is the Bitcoin bot. We are trading Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart at OKX, a perpetual future contract. And we can see that everything is going very well. We have 4 different buy signals that are working perfectly with 100% profitability. Wow, here is a loss. We have almost again 278%, 81 trades, 98% profitability, even with a 5% stop loss. Again, you see that we are building our profit along the way. So a small loss doesn't do anything to us. And again, we are winning far more money than just holding Bitcoin. We've almost tripled our initial capital by just doing trading on the 1 minute chart. And also, may I show you here, let's go to properties, but we also calculated the commission here. So it's not commission free. We have a commission here for maker and taker and 98% profitability with 6 profit factor. Now let's go on and combine some of the inputs here. As you can see, you don't have to combine anything with just one button. If you just set up a single bot working only with one buy factor, again, you are going to get these results: 81 trades, 2 weeks, 98% profitability, 6 profit factor. I think this is something that it worth your attention. Now let's go and try one more option. Let's go to buy 4. And again, then I'm going to make the combination of these buy buttons to see what we can get out by using the top buy buttons that bring the most high profitability results. So this is something that everyone would want. Let's try out another buy button because we want to be sure that everything works, and we have plenty of different buy strategies that also work. Here again, we see that we are tripling our capital in just 2 weeks, 78 trades, 98% profitability, 6 profit factor. And again, we won the holders by almost tripling our money, while the holders just made some percentage, 20% of their money, but just buying Bitcoin 2 weeks ago. Someone wanted to buy Bitcoin at 65,000, may have won 20% going up. Now, is this something that we can automate? Of course, this is something that you can automate. So now let's try to make a combination of buy signals. So let's try buy 2. Let's combine buy 4. Let's combine buy 15. Let's also combine, let's say, buy 3. Let's the first buy 2, 3, and 4 factors. Let's combine them along with buy 15 to see what we are going to get as a result. And then I'm going to show you the chart, how it looks like. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. 1,000 people watching. Thank you very much for being here. I appreciate your time that you spent here with us. But I think that I'm showing you something very interesting because, a lot of people promise that they can deliver bots that work. And now I'm showing you the real thing, how you can actually take the software yourself, how you can set it up, and how you can program your own bot. Let's go back to the results. We have 337%, even better. 93 trades in 2 weeks, 98.92% profitable, which is something really, really amazing. 7 profit factor and just drawdown, which is irrelevant because you never see it in your account, that kind of drawdown. And average trade $36. Now let's take a look at the chart, how it looks. As you can see here, we have a priority, meaning that the first buy signal that comes after a trade is closed, is finalized. Then the first come, first served. We have a first buy, we open the trade, and then we ignore the rest of the signals till we reach a result. It's either taking the profit or just hitting the stop loss, which is actually very, very far away down here, as you can see. Here is the stop loss. Of course, you give it room to breathe. You give room to the trade to actually be volatile, do all these swings, and then you go and win because your bet actually is take 0.5% each time on the 1 minute chart, which is something really doable. As you can see, this back testing is on from 26th of February. As you can see here, again, we are long. Here we're just waiting for the trade to go up to win the trade. If it doesn't win, we don't care because we are going to win the next ones. Because I will tell you the secret. The secret is that even if I go on to lose this trade and go down here to 5% down, currently and every time, even during the bear market, Bitcoin is going to recover. So it's going to recover from 5% down. It's going to go 2, 3, 4, 5 up, or even 10% up. In that kind of move, swing move, I'm going to win every time 0.5%, 0.5%. So I'm going to make up for the lost trade. And by this time, and by this way, I'm actually going to build a very positive ROI. Again, I'm showing you that this thing works not only theory, not only but just generating a signal, but it also works live on OKX. As you can see here, it's 64% in just 6 days. I'm having 20 trades in a row, which actually these trades that you are seeing here, these are all profitable trades, 20 trades in a row. I don't want to exhaust you. This is something really good, which you can start experimenting yourself right now. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Of course, the important thing for you to know is that after 28th of March, which is our first day on the exchange, on the CoinStore exchange, we are going to switch our system so you'll be able to purchase the VFLOW trading engine only with VFLOW tokens, meaning that you have to go to CoinStore, you have to buy some VFLOW tokens, and you will be making the payments for a trading engine only in VFLOW tokens. Right now, you can do it with USDT, but after 28th of March and within the month of April, we will only be accepting VFLOW tokens as payment for the trading engine subscription. But before you do any payment, please just ask here at the support center. I'm going to show you the steps one by one. Send us an email or just join us in Discord. You can join the Discord server and accept the terms and just ask, give us your trading username, or you can send us an email here. You can select as a service a trading engine. You can paste your trading username here, your message, send your message to us, and we are going to give you directly access to the trading engine. Now, once you are set, you have two options. Either you can use the OKX version. So if you are an OKX trader, you can use it directly. Thank you very much. You can use it directly to connect it with your TradingView profile. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. So if you go here and you open the settings, you can scroll down at the bottom of the dashboard, where here you are going to see OKX alerts only. Here you are going to paste the signal bot ID. So when you set up a new bot at OKX, you get this signal token, which is a string of letters and codes. You paste it here as the signal token. You don't have to change anything. You just have to go here to the investment type and select whether you want to use the percentage balance, meaning that you're going to reinvest your profits by opening the position, or you want the initial investment, the initial balance of your wallet, always to be the amount which you are going to open a position with 10 level. If you are going to use 10 level, please use at the beginning percentage investment, and you can go here, the amount entry, it's a percentage. So if you want to use 50% of your balance, you go here and type 50%. Same goes here for the long and short position. 50% of your wallet balance, you can use it, and with percentage of investment. And by this way, you can press OK. And once you have set this up, you just go here, right click on any of the label. You select add alert on VFLOW retail. You can select here, it's an open-ended alert. You can go to alert functions call only. Give a name to your alert, and don't forget to copy paste. Here I have the 3 commas. I'm going to change it, of course. And you can use here the OKX signal trigger and create your alert, and you are set. Your bot will start working and generating results. Oh, thank you very much for this for sharing with us. Now, important thing that I want you to know is that you can use it as OKX or you can use it as free commands. If you have any questions, please send us an email or join our Discord server, and we are going to provide you the information you need. We have all the tutorials here on the support center. If you scroll down, we have all the tutorials you may need: how to set up our OKX bots, how to set up a trading agent. Here you will find what you need to connect trading agent to free commands. So if you want to trade on Bybit and Binance, you should ask us to provide you the basic version, which is for connecting the trading agent with the free commerce platform. If you want to trade directly at OKX and you have a live OKX account and the futures are active, I'm saying this because people in Europe cannot use futures on OKX. But if you are not based in Europe, you can connect directly the OKX signal bot, your trading platform on OKX with a trading engine by just passing the signal token ID. Almost 1,660 people watching. My name is Jonas Lanis. Thank you very much, everyone, for being here. You are watching the Market Monitor episode 6, and we are showing you how to build a profitable bot at the 1 minute chart. So this is something that actually you can test on other coins as well. And now I'm going also to give you a different aspect of the algo. Now I showed you something that works on Bitcoin, but let's say we want to try it on Ethereum. Let's make the switch to Ethereum, and here we will have to do a different approach because not every token is the same. Not everything works in the same way. This also goes on for Ethereum and Bitcoin. There are slight differences that you have to change to make changes to the setting of the algo in order to work on Ethereum as well. Now we are switching to Ethereum. As you can see, we have 95% profitability with just not changing anything, but we don't like this chart, so we want to achieve something more. So the way to achieve it is this. Let's go to inputs, and the basic change we are going to do is actually we are going to change from trailing percentage to regular. For regular, take profit works better on the Ethereum bot for the 1 minute chart. Let's make this change, and just by changing the take profit, I'm going to show you right now what the results are. And then we are going also to experiment on different. Here we go. Perfect. So here we have 67% net profit, 15 trades, 100% profitability. This is because right now we are actually. Let me close the alerts here. We have several alerts running on several of our bots. So 100% profitability for Ethereum, but we want to achieve more. So we are going to do that. Of course, we are going to change the combination of buy and sells. Let's try initially. Let's try with here with the buy one, and we can see an experiment how and which buy buttons work best for Ethereum. So this is very interesting. We are going to try to do the same thing with Ethereum like we did with Bitcoin. While we wait here, let me just find the best settings here. As you can see, buy one doesn't work that perfectly on Ethereum. Let's go for buy two. Of course, what you can always experiment on which button works best on each token. That's the secret. You have to be patient and you have to make the test to find the best setting for each coin. This is something that is going to change in the next year because we have already scheduled to do this on the cloud, to transfer all this technology to the cloud. So the system starts making its own testing and provides you the best settings automatically. So right now with buy two, we have achieved 165% net profit with 96% profitability. Let's try the next one. This is what we're going to get back as a result, and we can move on doing this step by step every time we need to find the best setting. Let's go to buy three and see what is going on here as well. So you can see here 96% profitability with 106 or 86 net profit. Of course, we have better results at Bitcoin, but again, we're actually trying to make something out of Ethereum, so we can do our tests and have actually split our capital into Bitcoin and Ethereum as well to balance our portfolio. But we can also make this research for Ethereum as well and see that we have again 95, 96, 97% profitability. Here we have 97% profitability, free profit factor, 218% with Ethereum. Let's see it on the chart as well. Here we can see that the market is correcting right now, and we can see that our long signal right now seems like we are going to lose the trade, but that's not the case each time, because a lot of times you can see 2-3% drawdown, and then you can see the market going up further. Now you can see the trade going down, but we are far more down when it comes to our stop loss. Here, as you can see, we must go back below 4,000 to lose the trade. So we have many high chances of this reversing and then going to hit the take profit limit, as did all of the previous times. As you can see, it did it again here. It did it again here. We did it again here with a long signal. Again, you can see that we are winning almost every trade for Ethereum, and the same. We did the same for Bitcoin as well. Almost 2,000 people watching. Thank you very much, everyone, for being here. My name is Jonas Lanis, and I'm showcasing you how you can use our trading engine software in TradingView, our strategy to set up a successful 1-minute bot, either for Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you can do it for any other coin that you want to try it out, because it's a 1-minute chart. It can work anywhere. You just have to find the settings that it's needed for it to work very good. As you can see here, again, this move doesn't scare us at all. As you can see, it's already trying to correct and go up, further up. Even if it's going down and I lose this trade, as I told you, Ethereum is going to go up again. So by rebalancing the price, I get all the steps, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and by this way I can achieve all these very good numbers. As I showed you, regular take profit does not work for Bitcoin. It works for Ethereum. If you want to be successful in Bitcoin, you have to do here this setting, the trailing percentage, and you are set. We can see very interesting day. We can see Bitcoin, Binance coin is going very well, almost to $600, while we see other tokens not going so well. Today it's Aave and Matic and Binance, which are trying to follow the general uptrend of Bitcoin mostly, and Ethereum not so much. And this is because of a Bitcoin ETF and because of financial institutions finding a way to invest in Bitcoin without having to register in crypto exchanges. Here again, we have 300%, 78 trades, 98% profitability, with a little, you see, loss here, only one loss. Then we have 77 winning trades just in Bitcoin. I just showed you how to do it. So what I want you to take out from this is that you can actually access this software for free. Just send us your TradingView username. I'm going to give you 2 weeks free access to the trading engine, and you can then go on and connect it either to your OKX exchange, or free commerce. You can connect it to Binance, to Bybit, to Get.io for futures, and connect it with your futures trading platform, and you can automate it for 2 weeks. You can make you can make good money out of the 1-minute bot, and then use it to pay your subscription for whichever period is the one that you prefer the most. And I also informed you that in April you will only be able to purchase the trading engine with VFLOW tokens, which is something really important for us and the token holders, because this gives value to the token. Now, as I showed you, this is something that you can do on your own. You can ask for a free access, free trial as the software. You can set it up on your own. We have full tutorials, and we are always available to help you out. Just set up your 1-minute bot and just see the same results here in your exchange. I'm just showing you 20 different trades that are successful in a row, and I just showed you that the system has 67 trades in a row in just from 26th of February till today. This is not something that it's impossible, it's doable, and I just showed you how to do it. I would like to thank everyone for being here, and I think this episode was very useful because we showed you that we can go even down to the 1 minute chart and build a winning bot with the use of this technology. If you don't want to do any of that and you are a subscriber at OKX, just visit our page at OKX VFLOW Services and just follow either one of our bots in our page. We also have a Bitcoin Ethereum hybrid bot, which is actually doing 50-50 allocation to Bitcoin and Ethereum 1 minute bots as well. So you can access either the Bitcoin 5 minute bot, which is actually now the 5 minute bot is a 1 minute bot. So you can just copy the bots at OKX at our page or build your own here for Bybit and Binance. I would like to thank everyone, all 2,221 of you, for being here and watching this episode. You can always find here our Discord server. The link is at the top of the live chat and our site. Please visit the site, send us an email with your questions, join us on Discord. Don't be shy. Ask us, tell us your opinion, ask us if you need help, and we'll support you to build your own winning bot. It's something doable. We have achieved that. We are very proud. We can design bots from the 1 minute chart to a weekly chart. They can be profitable, and by just doing the combination of the best buy and sell buttons, you can create your own strategy, or you can deploy a number of bots, each one of them independently with just one setting, which you can backtest to find the optimum setting. So thank you very much all for watching. Let's give an appointment for next week, same time, same day. I'm going to show you even more things about the trading engine, and we are only 12 days away from our launchpad. You can purchase the VFLOW token there and be ready to buy the trading engine with your VFLOW tokens. Or you can just hold them, and by just holding the VFLOW token, each year we give you 10% of the company profits of the company revenues. We do a share, 10% of that revenues go to our holders. We distribute to any one of our holders that has staked the tokens for a year in our staking platform, which is going to be launched before the launchpad. Thank you everyone for watching, for being here. Again, we are giving you free access to this trading engine. You don't have to pay anything. Take the 2 weeks free trial, set up your own bot, and start winning. And then with your profits, do whatever you want. Invest in the product, buy it, or buy the annual subscription, and have this trading weapon in your arsenal so you can be profitable. Either it is for a 1 minute bot, 4 hour, 6 hour, 5 hours, something important that I want to share with you. If you want scalping, if you want a bot with many trades, high profitability, you can try the 1 minute chart. If you want something that can give you 30 to 40% ROI per year annually with limited drawdown, go with one lever for the 4 hour, 5 hour, and 6 hour charts. This is a secret, so decide what you want, what best fits your investment criteria. Explore the best options with the trading engine. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Have a great day, everyone.